ARTUZ calls for action to protect teachers' rights on Heroes Day. The 12th of August 2025, the Amalgamated Rural Teachers Union of Zimbabwe, ARTUZ, has marked Heroes Day with a strong statement honoring Liberation War heroes while condemning the current state of the education sector, which it says is in crisis. In its address, ARTUZ saluted the men and women who fought for a free, just, and equal Zimbabwe, noting that their vision included universal access to free and compulsory basic education, as well as respect for workers' rights. The union said these ideals remain unfulfilled, with teachers, especially in rural communities, earning far below a living wage despite being the backbone of the sector. Teachers today are modern-day heroes, the statement read, highlighting their fight for a living wage of USD $1,260, the restoration of dignity to the profession, and adequate funding for education to close deep inequalities between rural and urban schools. ARTUZ further accused authorities of undermining key liberation principles, such as the right to organize, strike, and bargain collectively. It condemned victimization of union leaders, unsafe working conditions, and chronic underfunding of schools. The union urged educators to continue the struggle, insisting that classrooms remain a modern battlefield in the fight for a better Zimbabwe. We honor the past by defending the future, ARTUZ declared. We will not rest until every child learns in a well-resourced school, taught by a fairly paid and respected teacher.